friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 10th to the 16th. Please treat this video just as a preview. Until Sunday, July the 10th, we're not going to see any digital coupons. They changed around the ad where we do not get to see the fine print. However, there's tons of deals with pre-existing digital coupons. First deal we're going to talk about, and this is month long. A lot of people are like, is this the deal still going on with the stacks by Kellogg's? The answer is yes. So if you can track down these jumbo snacks, and I've noticed at a lot of stores, they've been putting them back on the shelves. These guys are $4.49 on a buy one, get one free. So you'd pick up two for $4.49. IBOTTA is giving back $2 back for each box. It makes it 49 cents for the two. Even if you wanted to get something like the Pop-Tarts that are $3.99 on the same promotion of buy one, get one free, you're basically paying like $1.99 per box. And this is a month-long promotion. Next, 4 deals that we're looking at are providing a $4 register reward. If you wish to do all 4, you must do them in separate transaction. So the $4 register reward will print for you the 4 times. The first one, and this is a really good deal, 2 for $12 for the men's Axe dry spray. And we're going to look for the men's ones for the Axe only. I know Dove is included, but that's the one we're going to go for. And we have a very generous 2 off of 2 digital coupon. I could not get this one to attach, but if you have it, you can always call customer service and say, I'm missing $2, and they'll have to provide it because Axe is like the first one listed. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 for each. So that's $4 back right there from IBOTTA. Like, hi, this is a terrific app. If you have not signed up for this IBOTTA app, sign up, description below, all that good information. It's a really good app. Okay. 2 of them is $12. Subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital, you're paying $10 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, $4 back from IBOTTA, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per dry spray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards if you are doing this deal on its own and not with a booster. And I haven't seen a booster either, guys, and it's Friday morning when I'm recording this. The next deal that we have is with the Head & Shoulders, 2 for $12, $4 reward when you buy 2. So if you wanted to do this and the Axe, you'd have to do them in separate transactions to ensure that that $4 register reward will print for you. We have a very generous 3 off of 2 digital, so we're going to have to make sure that we have this little friend loaded. Grabbing 2 of the Head & Shoulders, that's $12 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying $9, getting back $4 register reward. $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head & Shoulders. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards if you may have them. And check the rebate apps in case something shows up for Head & Shoulders. Now, back to our old friend, $3 for the Crest, a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Last weekend, we got a huge amount of digital coupons for this said product. We have a 3 off of 2, so we're going to just do a very plain Jane sort of dealio with this one. Make sure you have some loaded though. But 2 toothpaste is $6. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying 3 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free plus $1 moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards like from other promotions if you wish to use it to pay it down. But what a great little deal. Now, another deal of the week, this is the last one, is with the Irish Spring. Typically, we always get either a $75 or a $1 digital coupon, $5 a pop, and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Let's go with 2 Irish Spring body washes for $10 on the nose. I'm speculating that there's going to be a 75-cent digital on Sunday morning. I'm just guessing, but usually it's always 75 cents or $1. Pay $9.25, get back a $4 register reward, $5.25 for the 2 or $3.25 per body wash. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay. Speculating that maybe Kleenex, Viva, Cottonelle might have a high value coupon starting on Sunday morning. They have the last 2 or 3 times this thing has popped up for $4.99, so let's hope and pray. And those are the deals of the week highlighted in this video. Guess what's back? BOGO free on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand storage bags. So Ziploc knockoff. $2.99 for 2 for the very large gallon bags or whatever it is, the large one or half gallon. So it shakes it out you'd pay $2.99 for the first, but it shakes it out to like $1.49 for each. They used to have this promotion back in the day of buy two, get one for free. They haven't had that in a very long time. This is somewhat promising, especially if you like those larger bags for like marinating meat or storing food or storing stuff in your freezer if you're a weirdo like me. But I'm very delighted. Even for $1.49, I'm going to be buying a couple of these. Our friend L'Oreal, we're going to be looking at some mascara. Earn a $5 reward when you spend $15. The word spend is there, so we got to use our debit card for the balance. If you might have this little friend on your store card, which is a $9 off of 2, what a very generous digital coupon. Head over to your IBOTTA account. $2 back for the L'Oreal mascara. If you know anything about beauty products, L'Oreal is top shelf for mascara. Grabbing 2 of the Lash Paradise mascaras, the pink one, that's $23.96. Subtracting that 9 off of 2 digital. With your debit card, you're paying $14.98 out of pocket. Getting back $4 from Ibotta, a $5 register reward, $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per mascara. For a mascara that's like, $12, yeah, that's a really good deal. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance because this is a spend dealio. Okay, BOGO 50% off, spend $15 and get a $5 reward. Hi. So we have the different razors and a foamy. So we have this very generous $3 digital. And if these are included, like let's look at a deal, grabbing one of the more expensive razors for $13.79. The foamy was in the picture, so that's $1.99 at 50% off for a total of $15.78. Subtracting the $3 digital, you're paying $12.78 with your debit card. Getting back a $5 register reward, shaking it out to $7.78 for the 2. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance or it will mess everything up. Now, if you are in need of some diapers, this is a pretty good deal. We're using 2 different rebate apps, so can't stress it enough that you double, triple, quadruple check that you have the same rebates as I. We're going to be grabbing 2 bags of the new Leafs, which is the white bag with the little princesses from Disney on it. This is the digital coupon that you have to load, which is a 4 off of 2. Now, looking at the rebate apps, we have $2 back for each of the new Leafs from IBOTTA. And then you go over to your Fetch Rewards account. That's $4 back for the purchase of the new Leaf. So, grabbing 2 of the new Leafs for $21, subtracting that 4 off of 2, you're paying $17 out of pocket. Use Walgreens cash or register rewards if you might have it. Don't pay that $17. Getting back $4 from Ibotta and $4 from Fetch or 4,000 points. It makes it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per bag. So not a bad little stock up price for parents who are in search of some diapers. Okay, now we're going to look at the Old Faithful BOGO 50% off on the soft soap. $4 reward when you buy 4. So grabbing the smallest one priced at $2.49 for the 4 of them on a BOGO 50% off, that's $7.47. Getting back your $4 register reward or whatever it is. If it's Walgreens cash or register reward, they fluctuate between the two. It's $3.74 for the 4 or 86 cents per. Definitely double, triple check on Sunday morning if there might be like a 75-cent or 50-cent digital coupon for this product. Now we're back with our friend Colgate, $3.99, $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. I'm going to assume there's either going to be a $2 coupon for the brushes and the paste or like a 4 off of 2. This manufacturer, Palmolive, which is part of Colgate, they always offer the best coupon. Looking at the mathematics, 2 Colgates at $7.98. Remember, they're $3.99 a pop. $3.99 times 2, $7.98. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital, that's speculating again. We'll have to wait and see on Sunday morning what they provide for us. Pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this free. And remember, Sunday we got to look in the app for the digital coupons. Okay, Excedrin, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. This is a spend offer. You got to use your debit card for the balance. If you are so lucky, I have this 6 off of 2, and Excedrin is the second product listed. So boom. Grabbing 2 of the 100 count Excedrins, that's $25.98. Subtracting that 6 off of 2 digital, I'm going to pay $19.98 with my debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 for a 100 count Excedrin. If you suffer from migraines, you know the value of this. And to let you know, Excedrin PM is back. It's been gone off the market for like a while, and I finally have seen it on the Walgreens app. It's back in stock. One product, if you suffer from migraines at nighttime, you know the value in that as well. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Tons and tons of food at a reduced cost, or their little sales price of the week. The 2 for $4 for the Prego, 2 for $4 for the Lunchables, BOGO free on the hot dogs. Not bad. Buy 2, get 1 for free on the different soft drinks. 2 for $9 for Oreos. No, thank you. The Keeblers, though, 2 for $5. Very good deal for the cookies. Bea, the Starbucks drink, the rebate that's free from IBOTTA is at Walmart only, so pass on that one. Different drinks, Silk Milk, all the great stuff. Every week, inching towards back to school, Walgreens often has like reduced cost supplies, including those index cards for 49 cents. 5 for $1 with the Wexford folders. So these are this week's offerings. And $3.99 for bunch of balloons. Is it going to be the 4th of July, the red, white, and blue ones? But $3.99 when these products are usually upwards of $12. I'm going to be curious to see what that is. And in case you missed it, I made a video yesterday where I was very scatterbrained and not paying attention in a store. And yep, somebody was watching me in the store and something weird happened. If you want to see this video, there is a lesson between the lines and I was not paying attention, and that is on me. Please watch this video. Big message in it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.